That's my doggo, Karakol. This is me, Michael, and together we're on day 88 of our hitchhiking journey to India. It's the last day of 2024, New Year's Eve. We decided cooking together and playing some games together afterwards, with loads of alcohol involved. We had been a total of 9 nationalities, and we were all jumping together into the new year 2025. Some drunk outtakes are following.
My doggo, Karakol.
This is me, Michael, and together we're jumping into 2025.
It is so fucking loud out here, really.
Happy New